Hi, welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial, we explore the distinction between workshop, seminars, and conference by looking at their purpose, their structure, the audience, and the outcome. For workshop, the purpose is to develop skills through practical activities, hands-on activities. However, for seminar, the purpose is to share knowledge, and to share this knowledge is being led by experts through discussions and paper presentation. However, for conference, the purpose actually aimed at a broad knowledge exchange through panel discussions, through keynote speeches, and also through discussions or group discussions. For the structure, the workshop is structured such a way that it involves a small group format, engage in interactive activities, demonstration, and feedback. However, for seminar, it is more of a lecture style with structured discussion. So individuals in the seminar, there are speakers and there are participants. The speakers present their papers while the participants pay attention, and at the end of the day, then there's a kind of a group discussion or Q&A. But for conference, it's always a large scale event with multiple tracks. There are keynotes, there are parallel sessions, panel discussions, and whatever. For audience and duration, the workshop, practitioners seek specific skills. It's always tailored to one particular skill, and the duration is always between hours and a day and nothing more. For seminar, it's a professional deepening expertise. The duration is just half a day or a full day. But for a conference, it is diverse attendees, comes from different regions, from various environments, from various institutions to meet, and the duration is usually in days, from between 2 to 5 days. Interaction level, in workshop, it is more of collaborative task, very high collaborative tasks, and feedback. But for seminar, it's a moderate question and answer or discussions. However, for conference, it varies. There's networking heavy with limited interaction. There's limited interaction, but however, the sessions are very large. But the outcome for a workshop is usually a practical skills, a completed project. But for seminar, it's just a new insight or solutions to a specific problem. And the outcome of conference is a knowledge dissemination, partnership, exposure to trends of knowledge, and as well as collaboration and networking. In a nutshell, we can say that conferences often include workshops and seminars within their programs, blending learning formats. So in conference, we can also have workshop and seminar embedded in their programs. However, in a situation where we have conference, seminar, and workshop, the slight difference lies in their structure, their duration, and their purpose. So conferences sometimes will include workshop, also include seminar in them as part of their programs, and the key distinctions between these three lies in their scope, interactivity, and primary goal.